How to set up an infrared temperature sensor with Arduino. In this video, I will use the RAK12003 infrared temperature sensor. Attach the RAK12003 onto the WisBlock baseboard and core. Connect by USB and open Arduino. Select the WisBlock Core 4631 board. The RAK12003 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Go to File, Examples, RAKwireless examples, RAK4631 sensors, RAK12003 FIR MLX90632. Once open, install SparkFun non-contact infrared temperature sensor library. Go to Tools, Port, COM17, then Upload. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to view logs. RAK12003 is now communicating with the WisBlock core. For more information, please visit the link down below.